Bob 423 here. We're going to look at some adjustments you can make to Active Captain and Waterway Guide icons. And this is a view of Beaufort. And you see it's kind of crowded with a lot of icons. Do we really need all that? Let's go into the settings and let's look at Active Captain. And you can vary which ones you want to show. So they turn black when they're not visible. You can vary the size. You can say how many times it updates, and I always put down always, but I don't use Active Captain. I turn it off. I don't need two settings of things to tell me where things are. So I go into settings on Waterway Guide, the same sort of things. I update all the time, always, on a daily basis. You can put these icons any size you want. And let's put it on medium. Now this is a lot less cluttered. May not need buoys to be that big. Let's go back into Coast Guard data. Set the buoys will be a little smaller. Okay, there you go. Now you can see what you're doing. But then what is that icon there? Let's go into settings and Waterway Guide. Let's show names on the map. Touch it, come back, hit done. Now you have a name. Maybe you want the names a little bigger. You can do that by making icons a little bigger. And the point is, you can make adjustments to whatever screen size you're using. If you're using a phone with a small screen, you may have one size. Using an iPad with a bigger screen, you may have one a different size. But Aqua Map gives you the ability to adjust the screen to whatever you want. And if you're not interested in anchoring, you're only going into marinas, you can turn anchoring off. And that declutters the screen, so all you see is what you're interested in. On the other hand, if you don't like marinas, you can say, let's turn marinas off, I'll turn anchorings on. And now you see what you're interested in, and not what you're not interested in. The point is, the choice is up to you, and not made for you in advance by whoever designed the program. And that's the adjustment. You make the same adjustments to Active Captain if you want. And that covers the Active Captain and Waterway Guide adjustments.